Hi everybody, Rachel here, founder and CEO of Subtl Beauty, and today I'm telling you that this is the year of less is best. That's right. The makeup trend this year is your all natural, no makeup look, and I have the perfect kit to help you achieve that. The Subtl Beauty Stack is perfectly designed with your daily beauty routine in mind. It has 5 basic essentials, all completely customizable based on your skin tone or your shade preference, and literally fits in the palm of your hand. I'm going to show you each of the products in this stack and why it is really great for those of you who are either starting out wearing makeup for the first time or really looking to pare back your daily makeup routine. So the first in this little guy is the concealer. Now, we have 19 different shades to choose from. We have a really great shade finder on the website to help you find your perfect subtle match based on the products that you're currently using. Now, this is the shade, I believe it's Brookline, Chartiers. This is the shade Chartiers. And what's great about this concealer is the thin, hydrating consistency. So my goal with this concealer was to almost have a serum-like effect where your skin really looks natural, your true skin's kind of coming through, and you're just covering slight imperfections, redness, hyperpigmentation, etc. So you can see just how natural that concealer is. And so what I recommend for the year of less is best is to just use a concealer, skip the foundation. That's right, skip the foundation. And here's why. When you skip the foundation and just opt for a concealer, you're saving your skin and you're allowing it to breathe. It's also going to leave you with a really nice natural finish. The next product in this handy little stack is the Lip and Cheek. Now this is shade Plum. We have 5 different shades to choose from. We have Plum, we have Red, we have Dusty Rose, we have Mauve, and we have Perfectly Pink. Now I'm currently wearing Plum. I do need to touch it up, which is why this is perfect, because the little stack fits in your purse. You can take it where you go and touch up as needed. A cream blush is really great for dry, combination, or aging skin. That's because it doesn't lay as a powder, drawing attention to any dryness or any sort of creasing under your eyes or on your cheeks. The cream blush is going to look really dewy. It's going to plump up your cheeks and look really natural, almost like a natural flush. Now, the next powerhouse product in this stack is the bronzer. We have 2 shades of the bronzer, and it is based on the undertone of your skin. So we have a cool bronzer, and then we have a warm bronzer. And what you're going to use the bronzer for is really just to create a natural kind of glow. So we all know that SPF is super important. Gone are the days where we're sitting out in the sun and completely burning our skin. We know better than that now. We're protecting our skin. And so in order to kind of fake the bake, just grab a bronzer, and what I recommend doing is applying it but framing the face so it just looks really natural. The other products that we have in our stack is the highlighter. We have 2 shades of highlighter. This one is the Ooh Rosé. A rosé highlighter is really beautiful. It has red undertones. I'm going to show you right here. Do you see that? And I'm actually going to get the champagne for you as well. So this is what the champagne looks like. So you can almost layer the rosé on top of your lip and cheek if you are looking to kind of spruce it up a little bit. What I also like to do, bear with me, is take the bronzer and the highlighter and create a really nice, natural, simple eyeshadow look. So taking the bronzer, either using your finger or an eyeshadow brush, and applying the bronzer over the lid into the crease, and then adding just a little bit of rosé, just dabbing it onto the lid to create a really nice shimmer. And then finally, the Shine Control powder to lock it all in. Even those of us who suffer from dry skin, myself included, can benefit from having a Shine Control powder. As you can see, even in this video, your girl's looking a little oily. So I'm gonna grab my brush that desperately needs cleaned and just go into the Shine Control powder and touch up. Now, the great thing about our Shine Control powder is that it's not going to come across as cakey or kind of weigh your face down. It's a really natural sheer powder, and that's to allow your natural glow to come through. The dew is in, but sometimes there's a fine line between dewy and oily. So shine control powder is great. You can either use it immediately on top of your concealer in your lip and cheek to make it last a little bit longer, or if you do have dry skin and you want to let some of your natural oils kind of come through throughout the day, you can wait until maybe that 2 p.m. shine, or right before you kind of head out for the evening. You can pop a little bit of shine control on just to lock that in, soak up some of those oils, and bring a little bit of life back to your makeup. So that's it. 5 basic makeup products to help you create a really natural, minimalistic makeup look. Super easy, super fun. Now you can customize your stack on the website, so you can build your dream stack based on the products and shades that you would like to add. If you only want 3 products, you only have to add 3 products. That is the beauty of Subtle Beauty, no pun intended. We have a quiz on the website where we ask you a couple of simple questions and help make recommendations based on your answers. Then we also have a starter stack, which contains our 5 best-selling products and shades. You pick the concealer because we've picked the rest. And you actually save 10% when you shop the starter stack, because that's how much we love the starter stack. Right now, every single order comes with a Stack Brush BFF for free. So this is a $20 brush, and it is free with absolutely every order, no minimum necessary. This brush is really great for applying your shine control powder, or if you want to create a little contour for a night out. Slide it up, cinch those brush hairs, and you can create a very precise contoured look. That's it. The Subtle Beauty Stack, the Stack Brush BFF, that's all you need. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we can address them in another upcoming video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks, everybody.